Hi everyone, Verizon Jetpack connected but no internet. In this video, we will show you how to fix the issue and get your connection up and running. The Verizon Jetpack may show connected but no internet due to a lack of network coverage in your area. A loose or improperly seated SIM card can prevent the device from accessing the internet, so resetting it may help. Restarting the Jetpack and any connected device can often resolve temporary connectivity issues. The device may require a firmware update to function properly, so check for updates. If you have used up your data allowance, the Jetpack will still connect but won't provide internet access. Fix 1. Check hotspot balance. You might have reached the limit or used up the data, or your balance might have expired. Log into your My Verizon account for the most accurate data usage information. If available, access the admin web interface http my.jetpack and click on data usage from the left menu. From the menu screen, select data usage. Use the scroll buttons to highlight options and the select button to choose. View your data usage and then select OK to confirm. Fix 2. Reset the SIM card. Resetting the SIM card helps resolve connectivity issues by ensuring that the card is improperly seated in the tray, which can eliminate problems caused by a loose connection or misalignment. Power down the Jetpack, remove the back cover and take out the SIM card. Wait for 60 seconds, then reinsert the SIM card and power the device back on. Fix 3. Check for coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with a Verizon network coverage. If other Verizon devices work in the same location, the issue is likely with the Jetpack. Go to Verizon network coverage. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your address to check network coverage. Fix 4. Restart the Jetpack. Sometimes, simply restarting the device can resolve connectivity issues. Power off the Verizon Jetpack by pressing and holding the power button until Verizon MIFI powering off appears on the display, then release the button. If the device does not respond, remove and reinsert the battery. To power the device back on, press and hold the power button until you see the Verizon logo. Fix 5. Reset hotspot. Method 1. Reset using power button. Power the device off by pressing and holding the power button until Verizon MIFI powering off appears on the display, then release the button. If you are unable to power the device off, remove and then reinsert the battery. To power the device back on, press and hold the power button until you see the Verizon logo. Method 2. Reset using interface. Access the administration web interface by connecting your device to the Jetpack's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter http my.jetpack or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Sign in using the admin password displayed on your Jetpack. From the System tab, click on System Status. Click Restart located in the lower left corner of the System Status screen. Click OK on the confirmation prompt to restart the Jetpack. Fix 6. Update firmware. Keeping the firmware up to date helps maintain a stable connection and can prevent issues such as frequent disconnection or failure to connect to the network. Access the admin web interface. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. From the System tab, click Software Update. From the Update Status section, click Check for updates. If an update is available, follow the step-by-step instructions to apply the update.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.